Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone had a great new year. What was your new year resolution? Mine, I don't make one because you know why? Because I never keeps it. So I'm just gonna live, love, and laugh, and just be happy. You know, guys, I know it's been a while since you've seen me. Things kind of made a little. I kind of hit a bump in the road, but that's all right. Look, I'm still happy. I'm still living, and I'm still healthy. So with that being said, as you guys can see, I'm right here looking at sheds, and I want to bring you guys along to show you some sheds and give me your opinion. This shed I'm looking at to make a tiny home. I don't need something real big. I just need something whenever I come back from traveling. Just a little home base, you know what I'm saying? Just a little home base. This is the outside. Now let me take you in the inside. And guys, this is the number. This is in Athens, Georgia, on Atlanta Highway. If you want to come or call and see about a shed. Let me open the door for you. Okay, this is the price, and you can lease or put down payment on it and make monthly payment if that's what you want to do. And you see the style and the serial number, and this is a 12 by 16. It has some stuff in it, but let's climb on in here. Look like it's already insulation up there. This is one of the sheds I'm looking at. Let me get back so you can see. And that door right there will open, but I just need one door to function. So I will keep that one closed, and you have two windows. And right here, you know, I like looking out a window when I wash dishes. So I was thinking about making an L-shaped kitchen here, put my sink here, and come along this side, and come around this side, and kind of stop right there, because I really don't need a big kitchen, as long as you have and put the fridge, and as long as you have somewhere to put your fridge and your little stove top or whatever you want. And guys, I was thinking about like get a sofa bed and turn the sofa, you know, put the TV right there. With a space like this, you have to kind of think out the box. So in order to put your clothes somewhere, so I was thinking about getting a dresser to put my clothes in it, and on each side make like long stands, so I can like decorate it. Two long stands on each side of the dresser, and probably go up top there and make like a little storage area. That's an idea, and I had to figure out where I'm gonna put, you know, like a bathroom. And let's go to the next one I'm looking at. Hey guys, don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, and that top bell. Ding ding, so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's walk to the other one I'm looking at. Okay. This is another one I'm looking at. They side by side compared to that one. And what's gonna happen, my friend gonna get a shed like that to store her lawnmower and stuff in it. She have her own homeowner association, so they have to be the same color of her house. Let's go inside here. This one already have like, it's already wired up. And it has like space on top. And it has another loft here. Wired up here. And it already has a light here. I like this one, it's big, but me, I don't really think about myself. I think about people being gracious enough to let me do this, so I don't want to overbearing, their yard to make it big. So if I can live in a van, I can live in a tiny home. So, but I don't want to, take up so much space. This is a nice side though. Let's see how much this one costs. Okay. This is a 10 by 20. It's $6,910. You can put $200 down. For 24 months, it's $411. For 36 months, it's $319, and 48 months, it's $276. So guys, tell me what you think. And I'm going to give you an all-around a shot. It might be something you guys would like and want. They do have some with the porch on it. Like that gray one. We're going to take a look at it. Because somebody might be looking for one like that. They do have gazebo. And they will change the colors and add stuff if you want, take away if you don't want. And there go a gazebo. Let's take a look at this one. This one have a porch. It's a nice little porch. Like the way it made. And it already have like a front door, like a real home, Let's go into this one. This is pretty nice. And it's already wired up. And you can get them pre-wired if you want. And you can even get the electric box add on. But once you start adding, prices go up. And you already have your light switch already here. And it's pre-wired. Let's see what this one is. This is a 10 by 12, $7,200 down, and $435 for 24 months. 36 months is $338. 48 months is $2.95. So guys, if you get this, I would think like this. $135 is not bad if you're thinking about renting something, and you will own this pretty quickly because you can put down how much you want and you can pay monthly how much you want. And it's a cabin style. So I would think like that. If I was living somewhere else, I had to pay more. It just depends on where you, if you find a friend or have land or something. But it's so that walking here, this side I don't know. Would you put your kitchen sink here and come around like an L shape? I always like L-shaped kitchens. But then you have to say, where would you put the fridge? You might put one of those little mini on the fridge. I don't know. You know me, I think out the box. If I get one, it will have everything in it. It will have my shower, my toilet, my kitchen setup, and my bed. The thing about these guys, we have to, you have to get a sofa, like a bed, laid out sofa, or you can get yes, that's what I would get, or a day bed. Well guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope that I could be some help to anyone out there. But I want to say I love you and thank you for the Christmas present that I got from one young lady. I don't know if she want me to call her name or not, but I'm going to say, Mary, thank you for your Christmas gift. I love you guys. Until next time, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.